my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a vision board with purpose. So in my last video that I made, I created a step-by-step video guide to show you how to make goals if you don't know really how to do that yourself. A vision board takes those main goals and creates it into a visual representation. I'll link the goal setting video below so you can reference it if you haven't created your own goals or don't know where to start. In the goal setting video, I really recommend to set your goals in different categories of your life. So example, your social life, your mental health, your physical health, your financial. Think about 10 different areas, no more than 10 different areas of your life that are high priority to you. So write down everything that you'd really love to achieve this year and then prioritize, because you might have a list of 100 things and realistically you might not get 100 things done in a year. If you're able to prioritize and focus on the top 1 to 3 things that you would love to get done within the year, that's going to become a lot easier to actually do. Take those goals that are your top priority in each category and you make them into a vision board to actually have a visual representation of what you want to achieve. And so when you have a visual representation too and you put it in an area that you are looking and visualizing every single day, you are more likely going to act in ways to make those things become true, just because it's going to go into your subconscious brain and you're just going to automatically start doing things your mind believes it will become, and seeing a visual representation of what you'd like to see is going to make it become that. So if you'd like to learn how to create your own vision board, please keep watching. So you're going to need a few items. So the first thing you're going to need is a frame. I got this from Dollarama. You can get this from Dollar Tree or anywhere really. You're also going to need printed pictures of your goals. So in my last video with goal setting, I took the priorities of my goals and I printed all of those out of everything I want to achieve this year. A glue stick and some scissors. So step 1 is just going to be to cut out all of your pictures. So super easy. Could we just take a second to admire this body? This girl on Instagram, Ashley.K Fit, 3-time Miss Olympia. She's amazing. Check her out. So step 2 is to arrange all your cut up pictures now onto the paper that's inside the frame. So this is a pretty easy step. So you can use a different paper if you want, but this paper is already fit to the frame, so it just made sense for me to do that. When I first did this, I was trying to arrange the pictures with the clock picture on the paper first, but when I started doing it, I realized like not all the space is going to be covered, so I actually used the back side. So I'd recommend using the back side. So step 3 is just going to be glue the pictures onto the paper. So easy peasy. Step 4 is just to put it back into the frame. So once you've glued everything on and you like your arrangement, I really love how this turned out for me, then you're just going to pop it into the frame. And now here is the final result, all complete and done and gorgeous. So I'm so happy with the way mine turned out. So this is the final result of that. And honestly, it's just so visually appealing and aesthetic to me to see it like this. Just to have all my main goals into a visual representation to focus on for my year is just such an amazing thing. And I love it in the frame. It's just so neatly put together. I don't know why people still use magazine clippings and stuff for this, because honestly, you can just go print everything you want and have it beautifully aesthetic like this. And just having this around already motivates me to start doing things, because it just reminds me that I want that I need to do this. So it just makes me think that I really want to get these things done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was an enjoyable video. If you get a chance to do this yourself, I would love to see how yours turns out. Please tag me in my socials. Thanks for watching. Bye!